So here I am, third time on the Yamanote train.
Third time?
Third time.
Really? Third time?
Third time.
No, I remember.
First time. What do you think?
It's nice. It's nice.
Will you do it again? What do you think about all this?
Well, you know, I think it's great. I love the way JR has put on this party for all of us foreigners in Japan.
Thank you, JR.
It makes us feel special and welcome in Japan. And I just want to say thank you very much, JR. And
you're welcome.
I look forward to coming next year as well.
We love you, Yamanote. Everyone say we love you, Yamanote.
Yeah, me too, me too. I'm looking forward to...
Everyone, come by Yamanote! Come by Yamanote!
I'm very worried.
I think this is debauchery. I'm just really upset that Gaijin would put themselves in this kind of position. You getting a good shot of my chest hair here? Right, okay. No, you know, I just think we need to really give a good impression of what Gaijin are trying to accomplish in Tokyo and in Japan. And I think this is really disgusting, you know?
What should they do with these Gaijin?
I think they should just throw them in jail or just send them back home because, you know, I just think this is disgusting. I just really think it's just terrible.
Alright.
Gaijin! Gaijin! Gaijin!
I give a bad name to Gaijin.
Do you really give a fuck what those people say?
What What do you think of all this?
All this?
Yes. This party.
Looks happy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but...
What?
Some passengers get ugly.
Get what?
Some passengers get ugly.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, but...
Have you seen this before?
Yeah, on the YouTube.
Oh, okay. That might have been my video.
Oh, really?
You want a drink? You want a drink? Oh yeah, I gotta go.
お疲れ様でした。
Look around. Take a shot of what this train is like right now.
Yeah.
If you get on this train as a salaryman and you complain about people bumping into you, that's kind of a little weak, isn't it?
Especially considering the morning commute.
I mean, if it was 8 in the morning and you had to get to work and there was this scene and you would complain, I would definitely respect your complaint. I would 100%. You are in the right to complain. But dude, it's fucking 9:30 at night.
On Saturday.
On Saturday.
Yeah.
And this is notoriously the train where people get on and party for Halloween. And for a salaryman to get on.
Oh, so he got on. He wasn't on before.
No, he got on.
He got on.
And
instead of letting it go by.
And I accidentally bumped him. And I apologize for the incoincidental situation.
And you apologize in Japanese?
Sumimasen. I actually said it in formal Japanese. I said, Moshi wake gozaimasen, which is a very formal way of apology. And he didn't accept it, and he pushed me.
Yeah.
And I said, why are you pushing me, man? I said, everybody here, and I said it in Japanese, but I said, everybody here is having fun.
Yeah.
Like, just have fun. That's what I said in Japanese. The literal, the closest I can translate it.
Yeah.
And he, I guess, accepted it to some degree.
Yeah.
But exited the train at the next station.
Probably wise.
Which is, it's kind of lame. I mean, if you can't handle this after work,
yeah.
I mean, it's really not a bad.
At least it's more lively than the morning commute.
To be honest with you, if I had just worked the whole day, and I got on the train after a hard day at work, man, this would be quite a blessing.
Yeah. Free booze?
It'd be quite a blessing, man.
Good shit. All right. Thanks. What do you think?
Let's have a party.
Exactly. Thank you. I love your attitude.